Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Update iOS and confirm you can unlock the iPhone. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then locate the ESIM label or the secondary line. Once you see the ESIM profile, tap it to reveal options. This is where you can turn the line off or remove the plan. Make sure to note which active line you're disabling, because removing an ESIM permanently deletes that profile until reissued by your carrier. Now handle the core action. Toggle the line off if you want a temporary stop. This keeps the profile available. If you want it gone, choose Remove Cellular Plan and confirm. The phone will delete the ESIM and its settings. Make sure cellular data, iMessage, and FaceTime are switched appropriately after removal. Once done, the device will no longer connect using that ESIM until your carrier reissues a new ESIM QR or activation code, so coordinate with them if needed. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure system settings refresh, then check Settings right arrow Cellular to confirm the profile is gone and no line is active. Make sure Wi-Fi calling, iMessage, and FaceTime reflect the change. If something goes wrong, like the remove option is grayed out, update carrier settings, install any pending iOS updates, and then try again. If it still fails, contact your carrier and provide the device a MA so they can remotely deactivate or reissue the ESIM.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.